Okay, so I'm going to show you how you could take a model into Mixamo and get a rig and get animations so that we could start making more complicated, maybe a little animation and storytelling. So first we'll just go to Mixamo.com. It's going to have you log in first, but you can just log in with your Google account. I guess I could log out to show it. So just log in. I'm just going to log in with Google. And it should take us to here. So we can upload a character. So I gave you a Spiderman model that you can use for this instance, but you could try other models if you get them yourselves. So when you upload your character should be in a T-pose, and we should be looking straight on. You could change it, but we want to look like this. I'm going to hit next. So now we have these little icons that we're going to drag onto our character. So this would be the chin. We have the left wrist. We have the left elbow. And then we have the knee. Right? And the groin. So once we do this, we're going to hit next. It'll take a couple moments. And then once it is, it should be rigged. If we hit next and then next, now you could have that character, and you could see you could give him different animations. You could go through it. But if we get the add-on, so we're just going to download this with the skin. The animation doesn't really matter at this point, so it's going to be FBX binary. We're going to download. So we should have block body FBX. We're going to go to Blender. So first we want to download that add-on. So if we go to, I gave a link for that too. So we want to get the add-on, and it should download right there. So then we want to go to File, Preferences, Install. It should be in our downloads. It should be the artwork Mixamo. So we're just going to click that and install it. Now I'm going to go to File, Import, FBX, and it should be this block body right here. I'll just import that. So now we have this. Right, I'm going to press N, and we should have the Mixamo tab now. And I'm just going to create a rig control as long as I have that selected. I should now have a rig. I could zero it out. Now I have a rig on this Spiderman, so if I want to move him around, I should be able to move him around. But what's fun is if we go back to Mixamo, we could say I want him to run, right? So maybe this. I'll just do it in place. I could download this animation, right? Well, this time we'll get it without the skin, and we'll just get the animation. So fast run, we'll go back to Blender. We could go back to object mode. I'm just going to import that fast run. Right, let me just move that over here. So what we should be able to do is copy the animation data. So if we do Command L, we should link the animation data. No, that didn't work. Let's try this again. But what we can do now is download other animations like this run cycle. So I'm just going to hit download. I'm going to do it without the skin. And I can hit download. So now we should have this fast run. If we go back into Blender, I can go to File, Import, FBX. And I should have a fast run. I'll just push that over here. So we could copy the animation from this onto our Spider-Man. All we have to do is select this eyedropper, select that, and do apply animation to control. So now you can see we have our Spider-Man able to run. So this way we could potentially load up a different animations into our Spider-Man to get him to maybe do something interesting. So let's try that out today.